Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, put the phone in airplane mode so live location stops immediately, then turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to prevent background updates. Once done, unlock the device with your passcode and open system settings. You need account access and 2FA ready. Next, disable global location services or share my location. Doing this while offline reduces the chance of an automated push. Make sure to back up critical data first so you can reverse changes without loss. You now handle apps one by one so you control notifications. Open Find My, Google Maps, Messenger, and social apps. In each app, stop sharing or revoke any active link. Once done, sign out of the account on that device or remove the device from your account devices list to prevent reauthorization. If an app offers a stop sharing that typically does not notify, that's safer. Otherwise, keep the device offline while you make the change to reduce alerts. You finish by restoring connectivity and verifying results from a second account or a trusted friend to confirm your location is no longer shared. Then change passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and remove any app permissions or link devices that could still broadcast location. If someone still sees you, revoke API tokens, sign out of all sessions, and recheck app permissions. These steps stop persistent link-based sharing. If problems persist, contact the service's support and provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.